Reggae Roots Market present to you what I wish I knew before my first bite of Jamaican jerk chicken. It's the seasoning magic. So, what's Jamaican jerk seasoning all about? Picture this, a flavor explosion of spicy, sweet, and smoky. It's like a taste bud party in your mouth. The origins? We're talking about the Maroons, escaped African slaves who settled in Jamaica in the 1600s. They created jerk seasoning as a way to preserve meat. Pretty resourceful, right? Now the ingredients. The core stars are scotch bonnet peppers and allspice, both pack a punch. But that's just the beginning. Add in thyme, garlic, and ginger for that herby, zesty vibe. Don't forget the sugar and soy sauce. Those bring in the sweet and umami notes. And to top it off, you might find cinnamon, nutmeg, or even cloves. It's a real symphony of flavors. So, next time you're grilling up some chicken or pork, remember, jerk seasoning isn't just a spice mix. It's a slice of history and a whole lot of delicious. Amazing. Available to purchase at Reggae Roots Market. Show some love to Reggae Roots Market. Thanks for watching.